In this video, we're going to check out how to use and access FOSS Web for Science. On the student homepage, you can see that there are lots of modules separated by grade level. Each of these modules directly ties to one of the science kits that students use in their classrooms for science lessons and exploration. The modules are split up into those subject areas that tie into those kits. We're going to click on Living Systems. Now, students will need to get their class login from their teacher to be able to get full access to FOSS Web. You'll notice that some of the areas are grayed out in this module since I am not logged in as a student, but there is a lot of great information that you can get to once you are logged in. The things that are grayed out, like access to an ebook, and to some interactive activities online. So with that information from your teacher, you will be able to get access to the full module. But there is some great resources that the module has that you do have access to, like regional resources for science. There's a lot of great resources that you can click through here to get more science information. There's also websites that are recommended that tie into this topic, so you can scroll through and check out those recommended science websites. And then there is recommended books as well. So there's some great resources that are included in the module. You also have access to the vocabulary without ever having to log in. And then there's information about that module over on the right. You can get a summary of what that module is about. There's a lot of great information that you can get through FOSS Web if you do have that login information from your teacher. So this is what that login page looks like, and you'll just need that username and password. So check out FOSS Web if you do have the class login from your teacher.